Introducing first, Alex Windsor and Jamie Hayter, the Brawling Birds. And their opponents, Gypsy and Tyra, Russamee.
How about this match for this coming Wednesday? It'll be the Brawling Birds against the Inspiration, making their television debut this coming Wednesday.
Oh, look at that, Jamie Hayter. Wow. He's demanding the tag.
And apparently going to make the tag.
Right now. Alex, wow.
Runs right over a young Gypsy Mac.
Tyra is in trouble. Now, Jamie Hayter and Windsor saw this. Teamwork from the Brawling Birds.
Yeah, last week on Dynamite, double team. Wow. Double suplex. And this may be it.
There it comes. Two birds. One stone. Oh, my God. Knocked their block off. And a win for the Birds.
To put it mildly.
Here are your winners, the Brawling Birds.
The Brawling Birds. Now 3-0 as a tag team here in AEW.